Alright guys, so down validator airdrop is one of those airdrop that has refused to fade away, and also they have taken so long to actually announce their community about the date for the airdrop distribution, and of course the date when the point farming is going to end. But we have a good news right now, because they've actually made a new post right here on their X account promising that there's going to be a new update in the coming days. All right, so in case you are probably hearing about down validator airdrop for the first time, this is also a dePIN project, and it basically rewards you when you actually run their node. And basically what you are doing, you are just getting connected on their node, and so far you are connected to the internet, you keep on earning points. And it's as simple as this. Over here guys, on my account, you can see I have 159,000 points right here, and of course we are currently on the airport 43, and this is the reward that I've got so far. Also, this is where your referral reward are, and of course your streak is actually shown right here. So this project has been around for a very long time. All right, so I even happen to have forgotten about this particular project, because they have actually left their community in total silence. But about yesterday, they actually made this particular announcement right here. Okay, they made this announcement right here saying that down is ramping up to something big, and we can't wait to share more soon. April will be a month to keep an eye on. Okay, so they are actually trying to let us know that this coming month, which is month of April, is going to be a very good month, and we as the airdrop hunters, we are only expecting one thing. All right, so over here guys, if you want to be getting started with the down validator airdrop, I don't know how how much time that we still have left to run this node and actually end reward. I'm going to be leaving a link right there on the video description. The link is going to contain a video that can teach you basically all you need to do to get started with down validator airdrop. All right, so but what we know right here is that the based on the last tweet that they made right here, we are actually expecting them to tell us about their airdrop TGE. We are actually expecting them to tell us about the date for the airdrop listing, their current plan on ground regarding this particular project, because this project has actually been around for a very long time, and farming this particular airdrop is one of the easiest that you can ever do, because basically you are only required to be connected to the internet, and so far you are connected to the internet, you keep on earning points. All right, so it's all as simple as this. All right, so from this tweet that they have made right here on X, we are actually expecting a very good news in the coming days, because a lot of projects, we are expecting their TGE and their, of course, token distribution on this coming month of March. All right, so this is the latest update right now as regards the down validator airdrop, and as soon as they actually drop any new updates, we are still going to be letting you guys know about it, and from there you are going to be joining in, and of course that is going to be making you eligible for the down validator airdrop. So I'm actually having problem with the down validator node. All right, so actually I have tried to okay, it's connecting now. So recently I've actually tried to open the extension, but it's not working. But lucky enough, I just tried it right now and it's open. So we have the down validator official website, and we have the node. You are required to run the node. As you are running the node, you are earning reward. All right, so it's all as simple as that. And remember to actually come over here to boost reward. Over here on boost reward, you are actually required to follow their social accounts, and you are going to be getting 5,000 points for each task that you actually complete. All right, so it is all as simple as this, guys. As soon as any new airdrop, or as soon as any new update regarding down validator airdrop is actually dropped, I'm still going to be letting you guys know about it. All right, so thank you so much for watching the video, guys, and I'll be keeping you guys updated, and expect my next video, it is going to be very epic. All right, thank you for watching, and I'll be talking to you on the next video dropping very soon.